Are you also having problems like hair loss, baldness, hair thinning, hair graying and more? In this video, I will show you the Brahmastra solution for all your hair problems. So do not skip this video at any point and watch till end. In this video, all the facts and knowledge is from my opinion only and it is not sponsored by any company or any product. Video is divided into two parts and all the parts are from a scientific point of view. So do not skip and watch till end. Let's move towards part 1. In this part, the ultimate composition of the hair serum will be discussed, which will improve hair regrowth, hair thickness, hair density and hair fall. I found a latest research paper which was conducted in 2023. 6 doctors wrote that paper and in that paper they did clinical trials and experimentally validated on 32 patients. All the patients were given 0.5 ml of that serum in hair for 60 days. After 60 days, they validated the results and concluded that it was a fairly good solution compared to minoxidil. And I also found that this solution is very helpful for me also. Only one product in the market is available which has all these components which were described in the paper, which are Redensil, Anagen, Procapil, Capilia longa. So please try out hair serum. Let's move towards part 2. Part 2 will have 6 points. All points are very important if you want to find out the Brahmastra hair solution for your hair. First point, genetics. Genetics, as you know, is a very important thing when it comes to our hair care problem. We found many people complaining about male pattern baldness, alopecia. These are mainly from genetics. It can be from their mom side or from their dad side. So to block those genes, we have to consume DHT blockers. A good composition of DHT blockers should have saw palmetto, stinging nettle, pygeum, grapeseed, etc. I only found one product on Amazon which has all these components and that is Trexgenics DHT Blocker Pro. So check it out, link is in the description. Point number 2. As we all know that blood carries important nutrients to all the parts of our body, including our hair. So get some blood tests done of some important nutrition levels like vitamin D3, zinc, ferritin and vitamin B12. These are very important for your hair. So please get the test done and check if you have deficiency of any of these and replenish them by asking your doctor for medications, or you can also buy some hair care vitamins from Amazon from companies like Praya, Himalaya, etc. All the links are in description. Point number 3. Diet according to your height. By the book's author, Eat Right for Your Type, written by Dr. Peter D. Adamo. He wrote that diet according to our blood types is very important because we all are individuals and we all have different needs and we should all avoid different things. So for blood group O, we should avoid gluten and sugar. For blood group A, we should avoid red meat. For blood group B, we should avoid chicken. For blood group AB, we should avoid caffeine, alcohol and smoked or cured meats. Point number 4. Washing our hairs regularly and properly. By regularly, I don't mean daily. You can wash your hairs in a gap of day 1 or day 2. I say this because our hair is a microbiome and if we wash it daily, it negatively affects our hair care health. I found Adi Amla and Rita hair cleanser be a good choice. I also use this shampoo in a day-to-day basis. Point number 5. Proper sleep. We should sleep minimum of 7 hours daily. This is because our body needs time to heal. It also reduces stress and inflammation on our bodies. Stress is a major factor when it comes to hair care. Point number 6. Reduce medications on daily basis. These medicines have bad influence on your hair, including pain meds, which are basically blood thinners. But before making any changes, ask your doctor for advice. Let's wrap up our video. If you follow both parts, part 1 and part 2 of this video and follow all my instructions, but be very sincere in your efforts, because if you are not sincere then nothing will change. This is my guarantee to you. But if you follow my opinions and all the things I have given in this video for 6 months at least, you will see significant results in your hair growth, thinning, gray or any problem you have. You will change your life. Please listen to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.